question I get asked a lot is how to get a smooth blending, so I'd like to share some tips with you. Here are some tools you'll need. Having all of them is not necessary, however, one thing you should definitely have is a good paper. I use Canson Bristol, which is very smooth and allows fine blending. You'll see why that's important in a moment. Before getting to the blending process, we have to talk about hatching or laying down a pencil. The key is applying thin layers and keeping the lines as close together as possible, and you may also change the direction of the lines to cover all the empty spots. If you're not patient enough and the hatching is too rough, you won't be able to blend it properly, as you can see now. There's a clear difference between these two. When you're drawing, you should start off with the darker areas and work your way to the lighter ones. I usually start with a thin layer over the whole area and blend it with a tissue. Then I can start building up the shadows. I'm adding a couple of layers of pencil and then blending them together using either the brushes or the cotton swabs. Once that's done, I can switch to a more effective tool, the paper stump. This works amazing, and you can stop it here if you wish, or you can take it a step further using this tiny magic tool. An eyeshadow applier. Even though it might sound dumb, this thing will give you a smooth finish just like this. So, how important is the paper you're using? Well, check out this other drawing I've done on a regular piece of paper using the same technique. It's grainy and overall not very good. Therefore, here are my conclusions. You need proper paper, fine cross-hatching, thin layers, and multiple blending tools. So next time you draw, try some of these tips and let me know if they work. With that being said, enjoy the rest of the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Bye!